we will start by mixing colors for the sky. I would say we would need a few different blues. So I'm trying to see which colors, warm or cold, would suit me better. And I'm choosing a few different ones. And now I'm making my mind. Which ones do I want to mix? And I probably need a touch of purple, because that's what I want for the first coat. And now my water is not pristine, it's a little bit bluish, but it's okay. We are going to do the blue sky, so I'm going to water the paper to make sure that everything runs smoothly. And that's what I want with the water. I want, with the water and paint, I want it to run. And I cover some of the areas which will be yellow. Let's start. And let it run. And maybe I would like to blend some warmer blue. And maybe I want to blend some darker warm blue in it. Different tones will play a nice role and create a nice effect. And the rule of thumb is that the closer everything to the horizon line, the paler the sky becomes. That's why I'm going to start removing excess paint, because I don't want our golden to be blended with a lot of blue. But now I'm going to start on a green. I mix green with the blue, so we have reminiscence of the same colors. And now I am going to do golden colors. And golden colors I'm not going to blend with blue on my palette. They are going to get blended all by themselves. And we have some ochre and warm yellow blended in. And maybe I want to add some even more brownish and more orangey tones, because they will appear in our painting later. And let it rest.